favor that reservations should always be on the basis of economic conditions. Because right now it is the scenario that if someone comes under the category of SC/ST, then he got a huge advantage of reservation. Whether his or her parents are making a lot of money, or you can say if they are rich also, then also we have seen a lot of examples like that people just getting the benefit of their reservation, and all of them work for a very good government job. And we have seen such of the cases also that if people are belongs to a general category, but they are sometimes they are poor, and due to this means they don't get the advantage of this kind of reservation. Yes, government has announced within these 2 years that there would be EWS category also for reservation, but I think the complete reservation should be based on this EWS category only. And there should be not like we have some reservation for uh, EWS, some for OBC, and major of the reservations for SC/ST kind of people. Because see, I'm saying on the basis that our constitution maker, Dr. Baba Sahib Ambedkar, they when they made this constitution, and when they come across the reservation system, so then particular time they already mentioned that this reservation must have to be within for 10 years only. Because this time because that was 1950, and India was really needed the reservation system, because some lower caste were really struggling. So he announced that reservation must be only for 10 years. And if it continues after 10 years, then definitely India will have to pay, and it would be not in favorable to India. But you know, it's all about dirty politics. So the politicians, for their for to increase their vote bank, keep continuing the reservation system for SC/ST categories also, and uh, it is also running till now. And you know, the recent one was increased for 10 years in 2000, I think 13 or 14. And now the next decision would be taken by government of India in 2024, whether they have to increase the reservation for 10 more years or not. But I think it is only for means they are increasing for their vote bank issues, because see, they are much more people, much more families. They don't belongs to SC/ST or economic backward categories, and they seriously required reservation system. Because and even in this proper right now, if I talking about this lockdown period, this condition has become much more severe. Because general category people, there are a lot of people, and there are much more percentage of general category people also fall in economically backward categories. So they are even not dependent, their parents or their any kind of family members, they are also their monthly income is very less. They are struggling for their studies. So that's why they are seriously required. Yes, I'm not saying that reservation you should not allot the reservation only for general, and just you should capture it from SC/ST. No, whatever the person is, of whatever caste it is, whether it is SC/ST or anything else, if it is economically lacking, if it is belongs to poor family, then definitely must give him a priority for the reservation system. Because this reservation is really matters. Just like if general category student for any examination of you can say job examination, if getting 80 marks out of 100 and getting a job, then the similar SC/ST student, um, if he pursue only 50 marks or 55 marks, then also he got the same job. So what about the means poor general person who has struggled a lot and just uh, 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 just drop the chance of getting government job by few marks? So this is, I think, uh, uh, not you can say not a good thing. So that's why I am saying that if anyone is poor, he really deserves. If anyone means has very less amount of the resources, he or she really deserves. So they are the first priority for reservations, I think.
Okay, Amit bhai, Devi bhai.
Hmm. Because matter is very sensitive. No, not the topic is very sensitive. Okay, if I talk it now, then
No, so
okay.
I think really this matter is very sensitive, but you can speak.
Okay. See, I already told you that this. Okay, whatever the Shailesh bro told, the accurate. But we should learn in a depth. What he told first thing. Okay, because yeah, even I can the crop means I can go against the some points. What he told that the reservation it would be only the 10 years, right? Yes, Shailesh bro, you told right.
Yes, yes.
Yes, okay. So it's totally wrong. Okay, it is not like that. See, there are the three type of a reservation. First of all, try to understand the concept of the reservation. If I go belong that, then again, there will be a bhukam and hadkal. Okay, why reservation and why we are see, even I am against the reservation, but why we need to implement the reservation in India? Okay, that we have to think about what is the root cause, that we have to see. Until and unless you do not find out what is the root cause, then you cannot give the guarantee. Okay, so so first thing is that there are the three type of reservation. One is that the your service means what the employment reservation. Second is the educational reservation, and the third that the political, that you are talking about, the Shailesh, you were talking about the 10 years. So as per when the constitution of India was made, okay, and before that let me tell you that the reservation was started in 1902, 1902. Okay, and it was started in the in Maharashtra, and that the king was the Sayajirao Gaikwad. He started the reservation, 50% reservation. Okay, after that in the Madras, I guess the in 1921, the Madras, who was the king for Madras, now the currently the Chennai, he also started the reservation. Okay, and before the constitution of India, means we have adopted the constitution of India on the 26th Jan 1950, but before that 1940 there was a reservation. So it is not like that it is not like that reservation, when we adopt the constitution, after that there was the reservation came into the picture. Reservation was before adopting the constitution of India, there was the reservation. Okay, so you cannot say that the reservation started because of this the constitution of India. Okay, now the concept was very different. Concept was not like that to remove the poverty, and if you are getting the benefit of reservation, it doesn't mean to remove the poverty of India. It's ultimately the reservation is for those, to bring all the people in one flow. Okay, now let me talk you about the, if you are talking about the reservation. Okay, so every state have only the 50% of a reservation. 50%, not more than 50%. There are the other states like the Tamil Nadu and the other that the Rajasthan, they have the 60% of the reservation. Now if there is 100%, right, reservation, now for example there are the, now if it is a reservation, now the caste will come in a picture. If India is a concern, in India more than 6,000 caste. It is not a joke to make into the one flow. Okay, all the caste, 6,000 called. If it is the general category, in a general category, more than 1,500 castes are there. If it is OBC, there are the 3,000 castes are there. If it is a SC, there are the 1,006 something castes are there. If it is the ST, there are the something. So total, you can consider the almost 6,000 castes are there in India, and you cannot imagine the sub-caste also. Okay, India is like one type of a building. Okay, if you born in particular caste, okay, then you cannot go into another caste. Even if you want to just take an example. Okay, if you if you are born, okay, in a particular caste, then if you want to go to get married with the other caste, you'll have to think about the 100 times. Even though we are following the same religion, we are doing the same thing, but ultimately, why there is so here, there is an inequality, right? Even if I was born in this particular, so again I cannot get married to my subcaste also. So ultimately, we had to remove this unbalance. The reason behind of the constitution, or reason behind this reservation, to remove this unbalance, that the caste, then subcaste. Okay, now let me come to the another point now. So actually, see, so as Shailesh told, it was the 10 years, right? Now, I am also, support to give that economical reservation, no problem. Even I have given an example of that, the 60% reservation, right? Sorry, the states will have, only there are some states where we have the 60% of the reservation. But now take an example, if you are the 100 people, right? Okay, now 100 people, I already told you there are the other categories, the general categories, SC, OBC, ST, then NT, and then other sub. Okay, so they have their some ratios also. I'm not remembering. Suppose if it is the general, so you can say it is the 15%. Okay, then it is OBC, you will have the 50%, 50% OBC. Then if it is ST, I guess 70% is the SC, and ST is the 7 or 8%. Okay, now if reservation is a 50% and the population of such a communities are like this, then how you can say that someone can say that, okay, because of the reservation, suppose for example, now I am a ST, so I am taking the reservation of my 7%. Okay, and all, see, the reservation only the 50%. Reservation is only for the 50%. You go just search, do Google anything. Reservation is only 50%. What about the other 50%? Okay, so if I am a ST, so I am only the 7.5 the percent of the reservation. I am utilizing that reservation and reservation, but I'm not going to touch other the reservation. No? I'm not going to touch that OBC reservation. I'm not going to touch that the general category reservation. I'm not going to touch the SC category reservation. I'm in my own flow, and I'm taking that particular reservation. Okay, so it is the this was the, so whatever I already told you that. Now just take an example. Where are the ST? Where are the Adivasis people now? Okay, still their condition is they are in the flow of that what we are now. Where if you compare it, the Ambani, and then just compare with one Adivasi guy, they are same now. They are now Ambani's son, and then some Adivasi's the guy. They are studying in the same college. So why there is a difference there? So then we need to think about, do really need a reservation or not? If it is the Constitution of India, we have adopted the Constitution of India. Constitution of India is based on that, the harmony, and then so many things. Okay, but we'll have to think about this also. Okay, suppose now if you're talking about now, the India is, we are going to give the 50% reservation for the ladies also. But this, and let me talk about the political reservation. These political leaders, they are, so what I want to say, I don't have the words, every, if there is the election, so there will be a particular quota. If it is a SC, if it is a OBC, if it is ST, they, why we are sending to them in the parliament, they will go there, they will do some amendment, and they will do some social reforming. They will bring the oppressed people. Now I told you an example. Okay, they go to village and check the condition of Adivasi. Still, they do not have the house. Okay, they do not. They're in the Senchu, they do not have their own name also. They do not have that the Aadhaar card. They do not have the PAN card. Now just we are thinking about only this means what we are saying that the based on income. I'm totally agree with of this one. Okay, but you just if you're thinking about the SC, ST, OBC or general category, then again you'll have to think like that only. Really the Adivasi guy is going to in somewhere in that or they are going to compete with this the Adani, Ambani or anyone. That is my concern. If they are going to compete with them, then I'm okay with that. I do not have any issue. Even what I would say, dissolve it everything, dissolve caste system, dissolve everything. Why if it is India, we have that the Muslims also, then we have the Sikhism also, Jainism also, Buddhism also, right? So why such a the they should adopt it. They should dissolve it. Okay, let it be a one. There should be only the two castes. One is the man, second is the woman. Nothing. Okay, but there no one is going to take care of a such thing. They will, they will fight against each other on the unnecessary issues, right? No, Muslim fight with against with Hindu. Hindu will fight with that Muslim. Then again, Dalit will fight with Hindu. Then again, Muslim will fight with someone. So such a thing is happening, but no one thinking. Okay, no one is going to dare. Suppose now, suppose if I have a daughter, okay, so I will also think, okay, whether at the time of marriage, I will see, okay, what is the cost, what is the sub cost. I will never think. Okay, if I want to make a constitution of India, if I had made, no, then I would have made it compulsory that if you are a Hindi, you will have to marry to that the Muslim. If you are a Muslim, you will have to marry with that the Hindu. If you are someone Jain, you will have to marry with that Sikh. If you are Sikh, you will have to marry Buddhist, or you will have to marry someone else. Like that, there should be. So there would be a balance. There would have been the what harmony. See, until and unless what I feel that if there is a caste system in India, I don't think so that we are going to progress. This is the hello.
Yes, yes, Amit bhai.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes. So see, until and unless if there is a caste system, okay, so there will be the reservation in India. Okay, so until we will have to do it, we will have to change the constitution of India, or you will have to think something else. That I want to say today.
Hmm. Actually, Amit bro, I just appreciate your words.
Huh.
Actually, I had not that much of depth knowledge about this reservation system, and yes,
Hmm.
I was generally asking, and I was just taking example of just like students or teachers just usually discuss about reservation. That yes, it was an examination like example SSC. Then if a student of general category getting 80 out of 100 marks and then selected, then SC/ST student likewise we have seen much more examples that he is well established, a very good house also, but he's just scoring 50 marks and getting the same job. So this is I think this is unfair. And if we talk
Yes,
about
yes.
if we talk about Adivasi people, then yes, they don't have even Aadhaar card. You are right, and they don't usually study. They don't usually give the examinations of getting a job. So that's why if we discuss about education related this system of then I think we must consider this fact also that some general category people are also economically backward, and if it was like the reservation is completely I'm not talking the other issues just like political reservation and one more I think you have mentioned, I forgot, but I'm just talking about
Employment age.
yes exactly.
Yeah,
So I'm just
education, reservation in the employment.
yes exactly reservation in employment. So I am just taking as same issue which is usually friends, teachers, always faces, that he is general, he is in backward, but still he is lacking because of its reservation system. So that's this section should be always
Your voice is
looking
breaking, I guess. Pradeep bro, how is my voice?
Your voice is clear. I think the voice of Silas is breaking due to
Yes, yes, yes.
something network issue.
Okay, so
Okay, so
Shailesh
Devi
bhai, I would
bhai,
like to no, I would like to answer. Okay,
yes,
you just see, just analyze the data. Okay, means the how many the upper there would be some positions, right? I don't have the data. I will surely I'm going to provide the data with you. Okay, you just compare it. Here, how many general categories are in a higher position? How many the OBCs are in a higher position? How many the SCs are in a higher position? And how many STs are in a position? I will send you that data. I have that data with me. Okay. But I will send you if it is a particular position. Take an example of the judge of a Supreme Court. So how many judge of a Supreme Court which belong to which caste? If whether they are OBCs, whether they are all the SCs, whether they are all the STs, they are all the general categories. So it means that there is it means that there is the 100% means 50% reservation. So okay, let them 10% of 5% general categories, but they are all the 100 same link. I will give you the details also, no problem.
I think Amit bhai, this topic is really sensitive because
No,
by
very sensitive.
by listening
That's why.
your
Until
thought
see, because
and by listening Sarah's thought, actually I am just in
uh,
middle because some
uh,
point what Sales bhai has mentioned, that is really good point,
mm,
and some
mm.
point also you have raised, that is also good point. Then just I am in middle where I should go. I should
Uh,
speak in favor of that or against in that. Okay, okay, just you
no,
can
see,
continue.
yeah, actually, see, as per the Constitution of India, right? We have adopted the Constitution of India. So there will be the employment means the reservation in the employment. It will be a remain same. Reservation in the education, it would be a remain same. Only the reservation in that the political reservation, which was for only the 10 years, but because of their benefit, they increase it, and they have been doing the same. Okay, because see what are the 10% means who were the leader of OBC, who are the leader of ST, who are the leader of ST, they are going in a parliament, but they are not doing any progress. You know what? Suppose if I am sending someone in a parliament, so what I am expecting, what the people are expecting, they should do some progress for their own community. If I am a leader of OBC, so I should be a dedicated to work for that OBC, to progress of that community. If I am a leader of SC, so I should work for their upliftment. If I am the leader of ST, so I should work there, I should go there. What is the root cause of there, why they are not still we have say more than how many years now, after we got independence, but I told you now, they don't have voter card also. They are not in that the current flow. They don't know what is Tata, what is Amani, what is the Adani, what they are. They just simply living their life in a village. They do not have the power, water, something. Even I still if there is a pregnancy, so they will use a razor. I don't know that nard you say na, at the time of, if at the time of the delivery, so they will come to our house, okay, in any shop, and they will buy one steel razor, that blade, and then they will cut that one. So such a condition, still they are having such a condition now, and someone is saying that yeah. So India, we are we are Indian. We have to think to whom we are going to send, to whom we are going to send it. Okay, because ultimately these political leader, the based on their, they will divide us. It is very easy to divide someone, but they will not united us. They will, you are Hindu, you are Muslim, you are this one, you are that one. They will divide it easily because they are going to earn. You know, they have that Mercedes, they have that luxury life. Okay, so if I am getting, I will do same thing. If I become of become something, I will become some mantri vintri. Okay, so I will do the same thing. Why should I go for my own the people? I will do. I will enjoy my that life. That's it. But you know, ultimately, we are to whom we are sending. How we are dedicated to someone. That is the important. If I am really important with my community, if I am real thinking about my community, I will not enjoy my. I will not sit on the AC, or I will until the to get upliftment of my own people. I will not get a sleep properly. That was the intention, to become the leader. But these leaders, you know, they will go somewhere, they will enjoy their life. Then after that, the her son will become or her sister will, like how Gandhi family is doing, right? Now one Gandhi will come, next Gandhi will come. So like that, nothing else. And based on, again I told you, the caste is, you know, the curse in India. It is a curse. Okay, you will have to think 100 times what you have to do it. If you say something, then you will think you are against this one. Okay, you are not the good person, something. So until and unless, what I feel that until and unless you don't remove this caste system from the India, okay, there will be the reservation in India.
Okay, Amit Bhai, I think you spoke on near about 22 minutes non-stop. Okay, so let
Okay,
Devi Bhai
okay.
and Sonakshi speak, then we can conclude. Okay, so Devi Bhai, what is your point? Because today
Yeah, yeah,
Amit Bhai is
yeah, correct. He played all the overs, like 2020 completely. He only played Amit Bhai. So yeah, just wanted to add. So I'm not against the Amit Bhai, but few points he told in last that the politicians should upliftment or improve their own community. That is not correct. The politician should look for all the communities, not for own community. That is the first point. So
Mhm.
and second thing, uh, see in when applying government jobs or anything, so there is different fees for different people, different caste. There itself the caste base it is started. And when you're starting for admission in education system, there also the fees is different from one person to one more person. It is not based on the economic status. It is only purely on the caste based, even though they not see that with the lower cost or backward class are in rich or poor. That is one plus in this reservation system. And I can take one example of the history, like last 3 to 4 years, what happened. Many people, many caste people is asking reservation. For example, Gujjar in Rajasthan and Jat in Haryana, or Marathas in Maharashtra, or Patidar Andolan. It is in Gujarat, and even in my Karnataka state, Veerashaiv, they are very powerful. They are started asking the reservation. So even my caste also will start asking reservation one day. Definitely, even I also want reservation. Why should my kid will be suffer like I did? So it is definitely the people have started asking reservation. You know that how violence is taken in Haryana or Rajasthan or in Gujarat. Recently, the Gujarat politics or the state election is based on the Patels. The Patels are very rich. Still, they're asking reservation. So when we can clear our in mind that still we have reservation or like that, and so if we remove the reservation in proper areas or in education or in some areas where the government, like in government jobs, they can give for Adivasis. Maybe Adivasis is very less in India. It may be less than 1% of total population. Because of them, the 95.9% of the people are suffering in other cities. So because of them, at least for they can fix for separate budget for the Adivasis, as Amit Bhai mentioned. I forget that Adivasis, definitely it is very important for them. So because they are living in such a remote villages that they can't even the transportation facility or proper connectivity. So for them, they can do some favor like budget and all. So I think the what economic status is be better, and I'm really for today's topic only I'm favor to economic status. Otherwise, I'll be against both the reservation. Like it may be in caste or it may be in the economic status. Reservation should not be there. That is my first agenda. We should be based on those who deserve. They should be in good position. That is very important because and no one can change the amendment or constitution now. It is written on somewhere like as Amit Bhai told. I knew today only that it is Sambhaji Rao he has started the reservation. Even I don't know that people. I thought it is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, especially for a job-based reservation. And I must say that the at least economic based reservation, if they implement in some stage or in some state they can implement, not in all over India. At least they can see how it is progress or how it will improve their the community or the people. Then can implement everywhere instead of doing it a first time. At least they can do some changes. Now we are simply talking since many people are talking like this only since many years. So at least they can do some changes in real changes. Then only we can see some changes in our community or the mind system. Uh, that's it, Pradeep bhai.
Okay, Sonakshi, if you want to speak something, then you can speak. Sonakshi.
Uh, yes, sir. Hello. Hello, everyone. Actually, sir, um, Amit uncle and Dhruv sir also included all the point. So I don't know what I say, but actually, I'm not against the just like reservations. Actually, Amit uncle say all the point are true, and I know some point are no. I know, and
Sonakshi,
yes,
just 1 minute. Please don't say uncle to Amit.
Uncle.
Okay, you can say Amit and Devi
Bro,
Bala Bhai. This is, this is not feeling good. You are saying uncle and brother. You can just tell
actually,
his name. His name is Amit. Okay.
actually, sir,
Amit
I
bro,
Hmm.
okay, sir. I will try because okay. Actually, I'm only favoring the reservation system, economic based, just like a economic based reservation, and not any just like a favor of caste. And yeah, and all the point are covered by Amit sir and Dhruv sir. So I don't know
Okay,
what is.
so we have only 4 minutes. So just I want to conclude each and every point. Actually, firstly, Amit bhai, whatever you say about Sambhaji Rao, something like that. Actually, I had no
Uh,
any idea about that because today itself I have read some article on reservation. So I got when architecture of Indian Constitution, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar launched that constitution. He mentioned that reservations should be only for 15 years, not more than 15 years. Only so people who are very lower they can cope up with the all people and we can make a good harmony among the all the people. But what happened after 15 years? No political party want to take any risk regarding the revision. That's why that caste based revision is still going on, and no party is going to only
yeah,
due to political benefit they are not going to touch that part. And also you can see many
yeah,
example as Dilip mentioned about Patel, Gujjar. There are many
yes, sir.
caste who was struggling for. They also asking for reservation. Okay, second point. Everybody has just discussed about the economic stresses. Yes, I am totally in favor of that. There should be a condition. Whoever is below poverty line or something like that, they should get reservation in everywhere. Actually, I am against reservation in education field. Education field should be free from the reservation, because if
Yes,
education field is free from the reservation, then automatically if you are going to apply for a job, then also that will be free from the reservation, because education system is based on reservation. That's why our employability and everything is based on the reservation. But one point just I want to mention, you know uh, everybody is just talking about, yeah, there should be not reservation. But what about those people who are doing some lower type work? They are cleaning a gutter, they are doing some really bad work only so we can live very healthy life. You can see the many people who are just cleaning your street, cleaning gutter, then they should also get some benefit. That's why reservation costs implemented in India. at least if they are not uh, doing some good work, if they are not capable, so at least they should get some privilege. So that's why, SC and ST getting privilege of that reservation, and we are not getting. Because suppose someone is said to you, please go and clean the gutter, you are not going to do this, because we have decided here this is lower caste and their main responsibility is to clean this, to carry this. And also in village you can see there are many example. Actually I have seen in my village, if someone ST and SC is just coming to my home, they have no separate part, they have to eat in that particular part, they have to sit in the, you know uh, on the ground, they even cannot sit on the chair. Actually we have created this type of situation. How many people are going to, hug them? No people is going, because we created such mindset in our mind, yes, this is very lower caste. And we are talking is a lot of things, but just see the current situation. This is very bad situation in villages. If someone is pandit and there is a scheduled caste, they are not going to meet and talk to them, because he is belong to lower caste, and they are still struggling to create their position, at least we can talk to those people. So I think there should be reservation, but except education field. Otherwise,
Yes, sir.
whatever is going, this is good. So
Yes,
I
sir.
okay,
Actually.
so I think we have no time, so this is time to close it. And sorry Bala bhai, tomorrow you can speak because you have joined
No,
late,
no,
that's why.
no,
And
Bala, yeah,
Amit bhai
Bala,
take today, Amit bhai taken 25 minutes, that's why
okay.
problem is that.
No, no, Balabhai, Balabhai states Tamil Nadu is the 68% reservation. Huh? So first of all, think about that, Balabhai, Tamil Nadu.
Okay, so tomorrow we will discuss, no doubt. So
Yeah.
thank you Bala
No,
bhai.
no, just I was kidding that the Tamil Nadu state has a 68% reservation.
Okay, good. So Amit bhai, tomorrow we will discuss, because we have no time. So thank you
Okay, okay,
bhai,
fine, fine.
Sonakshi and Ganesh and Bala bhai, thank you.
Yeah, thank you all.
Thank
Bye,
you,
bye.
sir. Thank you. Good night.